So this is the Frigidaire Induction Stovetop. It's the Frigidaire Gallery. It's a 4-position stovetop. When I say that, these are not actually burners because it's an induction cooking. It works through some form of magnetic energy. So what these do is these heat the pot, not the stovetop. So when you take your pan or pot off of the stovetop, you can literally touch your hand to it. If this was a normal stovetop, that would take your skin off, and within a minute, it's just warm to the touch. It will tell you though that over here on the controls that it's still warm. The reason it's warm is from the pan on it, not from the induction. It has a large center space. It does all 4 are auto sizing, so they only heat the area of the pan that is put on them. Has a power and lock. All of your controls are done with touch control. Timer, 4-position burners, and this is the most amazing innovation that I've seen since the 60s as far as regarding any sort of cooking. So really pleased with this. Great heat control. I would recommend this to anyone that needs to replace a stovetop, or if you're looking for a really great upgrade.